Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Vagabond Expedition and our Jeep build. Today we are in Calgary, Alberta. It's January, I don't know what day it is. That's what happens when you don't have to get up and go to work each day and figure out what day it is, you forget what days it is. Anyway, I know it's Monday. It's Monday, January something, 2018. And we're prepping for a bit of an expedition run here. A little bit longer than our normal weekends or a couple days out sort of thing, out adventuring, camping. So I'm prepping for a long-term adventure here and getting some different storage ideas done for the Jeep and seeing what I can do, what I need to bring, what all I need to pack. And scrounging around on Amazon and ordered up a little package here just to give it a test. And you'll see in the Jeep right now, I've got the Synergy rack that I'm constantly talking about. Rotopacks in here for water. I've just got the one jug in here right now. Normally there's two. But I also talk about storing stuff up on your roll bars here. Here's a three-man tent sitting up in here. There we got snow removal going on in the background. So I do have a three-man tent strapped up to the roll bar. On the inside of the Jeep, accessible from inside, I've got a couple of sleeping bag liners that I'll use when it's cold, when I'm sleeping inside there. Various other things. But those are strapped up on the roll bar with Velcro. And these are 2-inch wide Velcro strips that run around, and you just pull them, cinch them tight, and the Velcro obviously holds it closed. So the roll bars are a great idea, and over in the driver's side I used to carry the bag for the freedom panels tucked up and rolled up in there. I carried that around for so long, but I never take the freedom panels out because I've got the gear up on the other side of the roof. So Rightline is the name of the company, and they make a gear bag for the roll bars. Thought I'd order one and see how well it works. Instructions and a warranty, 1-year warranty on this thing. If you got a soft top, the top can be up or down. Position the bag so the zippers are at the top of the bag. Buckle the strap around the roll bar without twisting the strap. Pretty simple stuff. I ordered the black. There is also a gray version. You'll have to excuse my haste. It is kind of chilly out. So there's a fair bit of storage space in this thing. A zippered pocket on the outside here for smaller items. So let's go ahead and install this. So the bag just sits in against your roll bar. It's got a strap with some buckles, and you just fish those in around your roll bar. And I've knocked the camera out of position here so we can't see what's going on. Let's see if I can adjust. snaps together. Now what I will do is pull my gear out of the way, and I will snug these straps down. Just like so. It's got a bottom one which you can't really see too well. Clip, and it's essentially done. Like I said, it's not tight, and because I don't have anything in there, it doesn't really look all that good right now. So I've put a few items in. It's starting to take shape. Keep in mind it's also cold. It's brand new out of the package here, and I don't have it snugged onto the roll bars quite yet. So I think that'll work well. I haven't ordered one for my passenger side just because of the awkwardness of getting in here with the water jugs. It's going to be too tight to fit in there, I think. But I'll play around with the one on the passenger or on the driver's side here for a little while. I'll fill it up with gear. Obviously with a storage bag, part of the trick to filling these things with gear is to load lesser used items from the bottom. The zipper will stay at the top, but it does unzip all the way down. That concludes it for the Rightline gear storage bags for the roll bars. PVC coated mesh they call it. 20 inches by 8 inches. Designed for 2- and 4-door Jeep Wranglers, the JK, TJ, YJ, CJ, anything with a roll bar, you can slap that on. They show it on the box here like so. In the 4-door, it sits on the angled pieces quite nicely. You could also use this bag up on the main roll bar on the back here if you wanted to as well, or several of those bags. So that's it for now. I gotta go thaw my fingers out. I got some more treats coming in the next couple of days to expand on some storage capabilities of the Jeep that I will show you, and